there, they change in real time, right? So you can play dynamically, and you can say, no, this is too much, actually. Let's try to do it 35%, and it goes back to a more proper view. The other thing is that right now I'm working on a tablet, so I'm using the Microsoft Pointer, the MS Pointer API that I showed in the previous session. But what if I'm running this game on a tablet, right, where I have more sensors? And so what I did inside the premium.js file was create my little own wrapper. Let's see, it's called, here it is, rotation helper. And look at the code, right? There is a promise, so I'm creating my own promise from WinJS. Then I'm using the Windows runtime to connect to a sensor, and in particular to an inclinometer. So I'm saying, hey, give me the default inclinometer if it's available on this machine. If it's not available, that's fine. I'm just going to fall back to mouse and touch. If it's available, I'm going to start listening for reading change. And then the other thing I also using below, I also have another helper called checker helper that is taking an accelerometer this time. And on the accelerometer, I'm taking, this gives me back a quaternion data, and I'm taking back in particular the zeta axis, and I'm checking the difference between different zeta values. So all of that to say that now the same game, you can control it just using, you're just using an accelerometer, right? So the same game deployed on this machine has an inclinometer and an accelerometer, and I can just control it using here. And if you want to jump, you just do this, and it jumps. Let me show you the jump. I didn't show you the jump. The jump is the thing I'm more happy about this game. You know, like let's say that you want to jump an obstacle.